Does your cupboard door refuse to stay shut? Let's fix that in minutes. It's annoying, but usually very easy to repair. A bouncing cupboard door is almost always a hinge or latch issue. The most common causes are loose hinges, misalignment, or a faulty magnetic catch. First, open the cupboard and inspect the hinges. If the door feels loose, the screws may need tightening. Tighten all hinge screws firmly. Most modern cabinets have adjustable hinges. Turn the side screws slightly to move the door left or right. Use the depth screw to move the door inward or out. Close the door and test it after each small adjustment. If your cabinet uses a magnetic catch, check its alignment. If the magnet doesn't line up, the door won't stay shut. Loosen the screws and reposition it. Tighten it once aligned properly. Test again. It should now stay closed. Some soft close hinges can malfunction over time. If the tension is too strong, it may push the door back open. Adjust the hinge tension if your model allows it. If it's broken, replacing the hinge is inexpensive. If the door rubs the frame, it won't close properly. Adjust hinges slightly upward or inward. Use a level if the cabinet looks uneven. In rare cases, humidity can warp the door. Check by placing a straight object across it. If it's badly warped, replacement may be needed. Rubber bumpers can reduce bounce. Place them on the inside corners. They absorb extra force when closing. Old latches lose grip over time. A new latch costs very little and fixes most issues. Don't over-tighten screws. You can strip the wood. Only adjust one hinge at a time. Now test the door slowly. It should stay firmly shut. Press lightly to make sure it doesn't pop open. Tighten hinges. Align magnet. Check soft close. Replace latch. A few small adjustments make a big difference. Simple fixes can save you from replacing the whole cabinet. Follow for more easy home repair guides.